Hi everyone! Today the main problem of Ethereum is scalability. Right now the network is running on the outdated consensus algorithm, which is why the network is constantly overloaded, transactions are slow and commissions are often larger than the sum of the transfer itself. One way to solve this problem is using Layer 2 solutions. These are protocols that run on top of the underlying blockchain layer. Layer 2 solutions can handle a large number of transactions, which reduces the load of the main network. Many such solutions already exist. The best known are Arbitrum, Optimism and Metis. But today we will tell you about a solution that is much better. Aurora is a Layer 2 Ethereum protocol that gives developers and users an experience with Ethereum on top of Near protocol, a scalable blockchain platform. Aurora offers commissions that are 1000 times lower than those found on Ethereum, and transaction time is just 2 seconds. One of the products demonstrating Aurora's capabilities is Rainbow Bridge, which allows the transfer of any information from Ethereum, including ERC20 tokens, NFT, contract calls, and contract status. The developers of Aurora believe that the future of blockchain technology will depend heavily on cross-chain communications and interoperability. That is why they aim to provide first-class technology to facilitate this development. Of course, the developers believe in the principles of open-source software, so the price of using Rainbow Bridge is minimal, and users will pay only for gas and a small fee. Due to its architecture, Rainbow Bridge constantly uses Near tokens and Ether to keep the networks in sync. The bridge uses about 1000 Near tokens and 7 Ether per month. Cross-chain DeFi app users are already used to a horrible user interface when apps ask them to switch to the Ethereum network, or worse, when they have to manually add a new network to MetaMask. The Aurora developers want to see a future in which users will switch from app to app without thinking about the underlying network. This is not possible at the moment, but the developers have tried to get as close to the ideal as possible. Because MetaMask is the standard, the bridge initiates a request to MetaMask to pre-configure and confirm the addition of Aurora, and then switches to it as the default network. No additional manipulation is required of users. The developers' desire to provide users with the most profitable and convenient products is really noticeable. Aurora allows increasing the transaction throughput by about 10 times compared to Ethereum. Subsequently, if needed, it can be scaled using the Near dynamic sharding algorithm. In addition, the network offers much lower gas costs compared to Ethereum. The cost of gas will remain relatively low due to the Near blockchain design. The average cost of completing a transaction is about 1 cent. Developers and users will not need to use any additional tools or tokens to operate the network. All existing tools are compatible with Aurora, including MetaMask, Hardhat, Truffle, and etc. Moreover, one of Aurora's underlying tokens is Ether, so you don't have to buy any third-party tokens. Other products being developed at Aurora include the integration of a price oracle, a data indexer, an AMM exchange, a blockchain explorer, and more. And recently, Etherscan, a blockchain explorer and analytics platform, announced its launch on Aurora, and this is just one of the latest integrations. Since launching last May, Aurora has attracted a lot of attention, and it allowed them to hold their first IDO on SmartPad at the beginning of November. The tokens were sold out almost instantly, and their price, which was originally only $1, has increased more than tenfold since then. Of course, such a project quickly attracted the attention of about 100 different investors. And now you can see such giants as Pantera, Electric Capital and Dragonfly among them. As part of its mission to create the most decentralized solution possible for scale, Aurora has put key decision-making roles in the hands of community. Managing any smart contract is an important aspect of decentralized and uncontrolled development, especially when it comes to updates. Making improvements or changes to smart contracts with community involvement has always been one of the company's top priorities, and the DAO simply helps to achieve that. The Aurora DAO consists of a board whose members can vote on proposals governing contracts. The DAO currently includes representatives from the Near and Ethereum ecosystems, as well as early Aurora investors. Over time, they have plans to expand the list of members to achieve even greater decentralization. One of the biggest decisions of the DAO was to approve the creation of an official project token and hold an IDO, which we talked about earlier. Thanks to Aurora, Ethereum users can work with familiar applications, gaining benefits in the form of near efficiency and low cost of use, which removes the financial barrier that often stops people from using blockchain solutions. For those who want to learn more about the project, the developers have launched an official knowledge base, where you can find answers to many questions, as well as ask a question that will be sent directly to the developers. That's all for today. Remember that this video is an introductory one, and only you are personally responsible for all your actions. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next videos. Bye, everyone!